Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this fun alternative note card using the March Paper Pumpkin stamp set. This stamp set happened to come with the stamp set that you would always receive, along with this bonus stamp set that was included due to our anniversary. So let me set these aside and I'll show you how I got started. I'm going to start with a piece of Whisper White cardstock here, and I am going to be doing my focal point first. I'm using the basic gray, which was the stamp that you received in the kit, and I'm stamping, and of course I'm counting 1, 2, 3 so that I get that nice beautiful image. And then I'm going to ink up the detail of the boots using our balmy blue ink, and I am going to lay this down on top using that dark outline of the basic gray boots to line it up. This of course would be great if you have a stamparatus and make things quick and easy. There we go. I've got the second image there and my boots are finished, so I can set that aside. I'm going to bring in my note card here and I am going to crease it on the line nicely, and then I'm going to bring in this little cloud image. Now on this one I'm going to flip it upside down to start so that I get a more random look to my clouds, and I am going to turn it over here with the darker on the bottom, and as you can see they kind of nest that way. And then I am going to stamp a couple more clouds here, and of course if you want to you can turn this over so that you have a random look there again on that side. And then I'm going to bring my sentiment in and I'm going to ink that up in the basic gray and stamp down here in the bottom right hand corner. And I'm ready to start assembling. I've brought in my piece of basic gray cardstock and I'm going to add my boots to the top of that. I'm going to add a little adhesive here and then it here. And I'm going to flip it over and add a few dimensionals and remove that. And then I am going to adhere the boots right here to the left of that sentiment. I'm going to bring these fun little raindrops in that they've included in the kit, and I'm going to add a couple of those. 1, 2, 3 to my card front. There we go. It's always great to add a random number so that it looks nicer. And for the last part here, I'm going to bring in my envelope and my boots again. I'm going to ink up those outline of the boots in the basic gray. And then the boots themselves, I'm going to ink up in the balmy blue again for that detail stamp or two-step stamping. And there we go. So the envelope is decorated also. Let me show you the original again. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. And of course, if you'd like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, you can find a link in my comments below. Thanks for joining me.